Our ceiling air returns, AC vents, air diverters, ceiling tile, and grid protectors are all rust-proof, waterproof, chip-proof, and have a UL 94 fire rating. They are very easy to install and even easier to clean. Just spray on soap and water and wipe clean. You will never again have to sand down and paint your vents and returns. There are no sharp edges that can potentially cut you, and they will outlast any of the metal vents and returns. On the back side of our vents and returns is a collar, and this is what connects to the duct. The collar sizes are 6, 8, 10, 12, and 14 inch. They are also available with a universal collar that can be cut to fit 6 to 14 inch collars. No more replacing vents or returns, no more sanding and painting, no more ugly looking vents or returns for your customers to see. We also have ceiling tile and grid protectors called deflectors. These fit around the vents and prevents moisture from blowing on your grid and rusting it, or dirt on your tiles and making them look bad.